Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance interview tips in our channel, and if you get your queries solved in our channel, you will get your first job with help of our channel. If you want to this job notification as well as career guidance related tips, you have to subscribe in our channel. And in today's video I'm going to discuss about TCS result related doubts, as well as how you can check the TCS results, NQT results for the 2021 and 2022 batch, which have already occurred in starting of this month, like September starting. So, and also I'm going to discuss about the TCS digital exam, which is named as TCS Ninja Toppers Test. I will give you a detailed idea about that, how you can get that. So if you want to get the detailed description from our channel, please watch this video till end. So TCS NQT results have already been published yesterday, and they have started to send the mails to the candidates who have selected for these rounds, for the interview rounds. So the mails you will get if you are selected, like this one, like, dear candidate, greetings from TCS. They are pleased to inform you, to basis of your performance you will be invited to interview. The regional TCS campus team will send you the email shortly for the interview schedule. Please note that the interview invite will be sent subject to you meeting in the TCS eligibility criteria. So please check the eligibility checks will be done at multiple stages during the hiring process. So it's update about 29th of September. According to that update we are just sharing with you, they will share the uh, this result status to your mail IDs. So if you want to check in the website, you can also do that. You have to first visit the TCL official website, that is www.tcs.com, then check the TCS NQT portal, and then find the TCS NQT results 2020-22 link, then click on it and open by entering the registration details. Then TCS NQT test result will be displayed, and take a printout and try to keep this for the next selection rounds if you are selected. If your score is uh, lesser, then you can apply to the company available in the TCS Ion portal. Those are hiring based on this TCS NQT scores. So I will give this link in your description, in our description box. You can check from there. Now I'm discussing about the TCS Ninja Topper Test. What is the test pattern? How you will get? How you are eligible? So basically, the pattern showcased here recreated according to the previous experience of our students who have got this type of mail. So you will receive for the topper test like this kind of mail, like, greetings from TCS. Congratulations, we are pleased to inform your basis of your performance in TCS NQT. You are shortlisted for Ninja Topper Test. This is same as Ninja digital round. So you will be receiving an email shortly from their test partner from TCS Ion, based on this TCS Topper Test schedule. Kindly adhere the test instruction. Any non-adherence to the instruction to the test will disqualify you. So for this TCS Topper Test, if you are selecting to give this test, then your package will definitely increase to a certain level to get 6.5 to 7 LPA, and for the normal TCS NQT hiring the package is 3.5 LPA. So so that is the thing between a difference between the TCS Topper Test and the TCS normal Ninja NQT test. So in case of TCS Topper Test, one another test will be done, one another step will be done to test your aptitude qualification as well as your knowledge in coding further. So basically the test pattern will look like this. First they will give you verbal ability, then advanced quantitative aptitude you will get, and advanced coding you will get. You have to prepare very well, otherwise you can't crack this examination. There is no shortcut technique to crack this examination. Okay, so try to prepare very well. This topper test will held on 10th of October, so you have in your hand nearly 10 to 11 days. So mostly in verbal quality, verbal ability, you will get 15 questions. Duration will be 10 minutes. For quant aptitude, 15 question will be there, and 40 minutes time will be there. So you can imagine that they are giving extra time also for this aptitude. So you have to practice very hard. and for the coding 60 minutes is given to you for 2 questions. So basically the assessment platform will be TCS and intersectional navigation will not allowed. That means you can't navigate from verbal to coding, you have to go step by step. Okay, and intersectional navigation is allowed, like if you were attending the aptitude portion, then you have to first solve the aptitude, or if you are starting first with your coding, then you can switch to your aptitude section. Okay, so that is the thing. So 2 marks will be given for the correct MCQ response, and negative 0.67 marks will be deducted for incorrect MCQ response. And the syllabus, I just want to discuss with you. For verbal ability, reading comprehension, parajambles, vocabulary like synonyms, antonyms are important. Sentence correction, sentence improvement, sentence completion is required. For advanced quantitative aptitude, profit and loss is important. Time and work, partnership, ratio, proportion, averages, simple, compound interest, number system, time, speed and distance, data interpretation is required. For advanced coding, you have to practice for this portion. You have to give more emphasis in looping, decision making, functions, arrays and strings. Also data structure, algorithm, math based questions maybe comes there. Okay, so the test schedule, how we'll get this proper test schedule? Like test link will be shared to you in your registered mail ID as a test schedule. They are sharing with you. If you are shortlisted candidate in TCS NQT, then they will send you this NIMS topper test. You are shortlisted for NIMS topper test, this written type mail, and you will receive the test schedule through your mail ID. Okay, so for this type of information, you can join our Telegram channel, and you can subscribe our channel, share this news with your friends so that they will also get a clear cut idea about what is TCS topper test. So hope I help you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video with new job updates.